excited? It's your boy D, and this is Smoke World. Today for you, I have try not to flinch or move challenge. I am very easy to make scared, bro. It's easy to scare me, so it's already gonna be hard. On top of that, I'm gonna be in Big Bubba. On top of that, so I'm already gonna be high. I'm already gonna be out of it. I'm already out of it. But let's make this a little more interesting. I am gonna try not to cough throughout the entire video. I'll make it through the entire challenge. There we go. If not, I'll have a punishment in the next video. As for gas, like I told y'all earlier, got Big Bubba here. Or he already loaded halfway through, so I probably won't need to reload him right now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below how you feel about the video. Let's not waste no time. Let's get it started. Huh? What? Oh? Hey? Oh! Reminder all video. Okay, I missed it. Okay, I've seen this before, so I grew up on this, bro. Trust me, I grew up on this. Oh my god, that hurt me. Yeah, I remember this one. Bro, why do y'all fuck with bugs like that? It's not scary to me. Why? I have a terrible fear of heights. That is just anxiety to me. Ooh, I've been in a few car wrecks. I remember the maze. Bro, I'm telling you, you gotta, if you wanna get me scared, bro, you gotta, I grew up on this. Here she comes. Watch. What'd I tell you?
Oh, you lost the shoe. You should probably take your shoes off anyway.
Oh, wow. The fuck? Ah! Okay, you got me. Okay, they got me. Okay. I was expecting that. See, okay, that was something different. It wasn't just bugs or like spores, okay? Fish. It's like if you want to scare somebody, you gotta come with them with the less obvious outcome. Exactly. If I know what's coming, I remember this. Got that hair. Yeah. What's up? You see Okay. What did that have to do? Okay, I guess. That got me too. Baseball, come this way. See? The fuck? Football. Wow. Saw it coming. What is it with people and bugs, bro? Why bugs? You could have anything. I hope they're okay. Them hoes hurt, bro. They're lucky. Rock saw it coming. Why? Why? Ooh. Oh. Ooh, that was like a dead hit. Okay, that was actually I laughed. No, not laughed. I flinched. I flinched actually on one of those. I forgot which one it was. I forgot which one it was. But I don't know about that audition video. I don't know what the hell that was. That was just out of nowhere. I don't know what that had to do with the video. But that concludes this video. I'm D. This has been Smoke World.